Hi, I'm Chris with Carnival Cruise Line, and this is episode 275 of Yakety-Yak, straight from the Yak's mouth. John Heel, Carnival Cruise Line's brand ambassador, posts on his Facebook page where you can ask him questions. He answers the questions. We read the questions and the answers, and we take the cool, the weird, the funny, the lies, the myths, and we put them here for you. So on today's episode, we're talking about, with the new email format coming up for request, how far in advance do we need to email you? Why is there always more guests on the ship than what it shows on the website? Going to the steakhouse on the first night, how strict are they with the dress code? I had surgery and I need a wheelchair to get on and off the ship in port. Who do I notify? And I booked the spa suite. Can I take the bathrobe and the slippers?
And this is straight from the Yak's mouth.
All right, question one. This cruiser asked, since John is now doing questions only a few days a week, how far in advance should they be letting him know about a special dining request? John said he will now require 5 days before the cruise to handle any questions. Right now, I think he said 2 to 3 because he was answering them every day. Temporarily, he's doing it 2 to 3 days a week, and sometime down the road, he's going to emails only. But right now, you do need to up that to 5 days before your cruise for a special dining request. Question 2. This cruiser asked why there are always more guests than you report on a cruise than what Carnival has listed on the website as the guest capacity. Sometimes it's more than 1,000 guests more than what the website says they can hold. John said, what you see on the website is for double occupancy, which means the capacity when there was 2 people in every cabin. Sometimes there's 3 or 4 people in a cabin, which increases the number of people on a ship. So on his page, occasionally he'll highlight a ship that's sailing that day, and he'll show how many red cards, green cards, blue cards, yellow cards, whatever cards they're changing to now. And it'll be way more than what it says on the website because there's 3, 4, 5 people in each cabin. There you go. Question 3. This cruiser is going on the Carnival celebration soon, and they booked the steakhouse for the first night. They wanted to know how strict are they with the dress code and if they should board the ship dressed for dinner in case they don't get their luggage in time. John said there really isn't a dress code for the first night, provided you are reasonably dressed. No bathing suits, sleeveless shirts, wife beaters, anything like that. Even shorts are allowed on the first night, which they are not on any other night. Bonus, if you book it on the first night, if you're solo, you get 2 free glasses of wine. If you're not solo, you get a full bottle of wine free with your dinner. So if you like steak and you like wine, book it on the first night. Speaking of like, if you like what you see and you enjoy cruising content, please like and subscribe. We would greatly appreciate that. Question 4. This family has a cruise coming up and their son just had to go an unexpected surgery on his Achilles tendon. He is now not able to walk and wanted to know if they need to notify Carnival and if there's any accommodations as far as being wheeled from the port to the ship. John said, please send this to his colleagues at access@carnival.com. That will be in the description. They will register as needing a wheelchair access getting on and off the ship and at the home port. As far as getting around the ship, you will need to rent a wheelchair or a mobility scooter and would need to rent one from a private company. I myself broke one foot and had, I think, 10 or 17 stitches in the other foot about a week or so before a cruise. So we had to rent a wheelchair to get me around and on and off the cruise. And we used a company, I think it was called Scoot Around. But there's a lot of different companies that they go through. I think Carnival does work directly with Scoot Around, and it's really easy. They have it sitting there waiting for you. So, last question. This cruiser booked their first spa suite and wanted to know if they can take the slippers and the bathrobes with them when they disembark, or do they need to leave them there? John said you need to leave them there, and if you take them, they will charge you. So we've never booked a spa suite, but we've definitely booked a suite where it had the little slippers in the plastic bag, and we've taken them. We've never got charged for them. Maybe it's different in the spa. They get cuter, fuzzier slippers. Don't know. But definitely don't take the bathrobes. They will charge them for you. And in the spa cabins, they will definitely charge you for the slippers as well. That's been episode 275 of Yakety-Yak, straight from the Yak's mouth. Thanks for watching. Please take care.